Hello everyone, welcome you on investmentguru.com. BSE Sensex spot closed at 66,598 with a gain of 1,211 points. Nifty 50 spot closed at 19,819 with a gain of 384 points. And Bank Nifty spot closed at 45,156 with a gain of 720 points. Market breadth was remained positive during the last week. BSE 500 closed at 27,718 with a gain of 639 points and Nifty 500 closed at 17,487 with a gain of 413 points. Now let's look at top gainer loser index. Top gainer was Nifty PSE index which closed at 6,186 with a gain of 6.1%, but there was no sector in the loser index. Now let's see what happens at chart. The index has formed a bullish candlestick pattern on the daily chart, and on the weekly chart there was a long bullish candlestick pattern with higher high and higher low formation. Momentum indicator RSI is now trading above 60 level, which is a bullish zone, which indicates bullish momentum at current level. But on the hourly chart, we can observe that there are multiple bearish divergence forming with respect to RSI, and hence there might be a pause in the current trend or can be a price retracement is likely in the upcoming week. The expected range of consolidation is likely between 19,850 to 19,650 levels. Currently in the index, one should follow a buy on dips strategy. Now let's analyze Nifty derivative data. Nifty cumulative open interest increased with 8% and price increased to 2%, which suggests long build-up. On the option front, Nifty 14th September weekly option data suggests that highest open interest on call side was seen at 20,000 strike with open interest of 1,58,949 lots, and highest open interest on put side was seen at 19,600 strike with open interest of 1,29,459 lots. Maximum open interest change was happen on call side at 20,000 strike with addition of 60,350 lots, and maximum open interest change was happen on put side at 19,800 strike with addition of 82,691 lots. As per the chart pattern and option data analysis, we can conclude that if Nifty sustains above 19,870 level, then it can bounce towards 19,950 to 20,000 level. But if index breaks below 19,720 level, then it can go down towards 19,650 to 19,600 levels. Now let's analyze Bank Nifty chart. The banking index has formed a bullish candlestick pattern with a small upper shadow on the daily chart, and on the weekly time frame there was a bullish candlestick pattern with higher high and higher low formation. The Bank Nifty has given 3-week consolidation breakout in the last week and closed well above important resistance of this range, that is 45,000 level. One should follow buy on dips strategy at important support around 45,000 to 44,800 level, underlining the bullish sentiment in the market. Let's analyze Bank Nifty derivative data. Bank Nifty cumulative open interest decreased with 3% and price increased to 1.6%, which suggests short covering. On the option front, Bank Nifty 14th September weekly option data suggests that highest open interest on call side was seen at 45,000 strike with open interest of 2,20,000 lots, and highest open interest on put side was seen at 44,500 strike with open interest of 2,24,244 lots. Maximum open interest change was happen on call side at 45,200 strike with addition of 83,506 lots, and maximum open interest change was happen on put side at 45,000 strike with addition of 1,22,044 lots. As per the chart pattern and option data analysis, we can conclude that if Bank Nifty crosses above 45,400 level, then it can go up towards 45,600 to 45,800 levels. But if Bank Nifty breaks below 45,000 level, then the index can go down towards 44,800 to 44,700 levels. Thank you.